And when they are giving the phone number, they put the phone number into this legend input. After putting the phone number, you click on loyal load. That is like loyalty load. Now, when you click on loyalty load, the system will confirm if you really have that customer in your records of loyalty customers. Now, if there is no customer with that phone number, the system will come back and say, look, that customer doesn't exist. It's somebody trying to like find its way through. But if there's a customer, what the system does is it sends a 6-digit OTP to the customer's phone. Because this is the take. I have seen a situation whereby because there is no security implemented, people come in with people's number to actually redeem points. So I will actually explain to you why we are putting this OTP. So when you send a one-time password, the customer will submit it to the cashier that look, my one-time password is 123456. When the cashier inputs it and it's correct, then your loyalty details will be loaded to this bill. But if it is wrong, it will reject it and also send a message to the phone owner that someone is trying to access your loyalty records at this branch of this shop. And it won't just leave the SMS. We also have automated bots that will make a call to the number. Because look, people can be sleeping and won't hear the tone of an SMS. But the bot makes an actual call and inform the person when he picks. It's an automated voice that says the same thing. Look, someone is trying to redeem your points. Use your loyalty details at this branch of this shop. And then you can actually like wake up and then like just follow up with the shop to find out who is there trying to make this transaction right now. And they're like, maybe you can get some fish in the soup. So that is how the loyalty system works. Now, after the loyal load, we have loyal redeem. If you're a loyalty customer who has accumulated points up to like, let's say 1,000 points, it's equals to 5%. This equals to 50 cedis, sorry. And this can be changed based on your setup. You can say 1 point is equals to 50 cedis. And you can give a range where a customer can redeem. So most shops actually go for 1,000 points is equals to 50 cedis. That means when you make a purchase up to 1,000 cedis, you get 50 cedis discount, which you can redeem. So assuming I have accumulated 1,000 points and I've come to buy a sachet of water, which is like 20 cedis. As a loyalty customer, I can submit my number, and when this loyal load is loaded, the cashier can use loyal redeem. So when they click loyal redeem, it will actually retrieve how many points the customer has accumulated so far, and then tell you how much they can redeem. And you will either redeem it as a full amount on the bill, or even if the bill is 100 cedis, you can redeem 50 cedis as loyalty points and also redeem the other part. And the loyalty points will be treated as discount. So that is how our system handles loyalty. Yes, and that is how it goes. We also have recall, which I explained to you how it works. You use it to recall a held bill. And we also have discount button over here, which you use to give discount. We have refund button, which when a customer comes to buy an item and they say, oh, I bought 10 pieces of items, I don't need the sachet of Milo. And if your point makes valid, you can refund it. And we have a reprint button over here. And what the reprint basically does is it reprints a bill in history for a customer, or like just for like investigation and or audit purpose. And also we have FOC over here. And what this FOC does is when you click FOC and you add an item, the item is given out to the customer at a zero cost. And let me explain to you. Assuming the customer is not just a loyalty customer, but like a very good customer where you have more deep partnership with, and the customer comes to buy like let's say a sachet of water, and you'll be like, oh, because I know you and I like you, I'm going to give you a sachet of Milo for free. Now bear in mind, you're not going to take money for that Milo, but the Milo has to be deducted from your stock. So that is where the FOC comes in. So you point the Milo and point the quantity, and the system will record it at the cost and selling price of 0. So at the end of the day, your stock will be deducted. Your inventory value will not be changed because it will treat the product as like a product you have given out for free, but you will pay tax on it. Because according to Ghana Revenue Authority, if you decide to import a car that you are going to sell it, and you dash it to someone for free, it is not their business. You have to pay tax because like you imported it as a selling car, not a car you are going to use it personally. So that is how this is handled.